Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain the key differences between the Subaru Forester Premium and Limited trims. Choosing the right Forester means understanding what each trim offers. We will compare their unique features, from interior comforts to advanced safety technologies. This guide will help you decide which model best suits your driving needs and lifestyle. Let's dive into the specifics and see how these popular trims stack up against each other. Next, place a drain pan under your radiator and open the drain plug to empty the coolant. This prevents spills and allows for a clean workspace. Once the coolant is drained, carefully disconnect the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. You might need to remove other components like an air intake tube to gain clear access to the housing bolts.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY car tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly. It's a fantastic way to keep your garage or home spotless while you're working on your car. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, with clear access, use your wrench to unbolt the thermostat housing. There are usually 2 or 3 bolts holding it in place. Once the bolts are out, gently pry the housing off and remove the old thermostat and its gasket. It's crucial to clean the mating surfaces on both the engine block and the housing thoroughly. Any old gasket material can cause leaks later on. With the surfaces clean, it's time to install your new thermostat. Make sure the spring side faces towards the engine block. Then, carefully position the new gasket onto the housing. Reattach the housing, ensuring the bolts are tightened evenly and to the manufacturer's specified torque. This prevents warping and ensures a proper seal. Reconnect the upper radiator hose securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.